students, your science teacher Mukesh sir is with you once again, and today I am going to explain how to represent all three equations of motions by using graphically method. And this is your revision class. Okay, revision video is there, and previous topics from the same chapter motion I have explained in the previous videos. You can see. So now I am going to explain you through this graphical diagram. Let us draw. We have to draw a velocity time graph. Okay, and in this time graph, the object is moving with initial velocity u. Here you can see an object is moving with initial velocity u. Up to OA there is initial velocity, and after t time, when object is moving, after t second, okay, it is attains the velocity v and reaching at the point b. Okay, and this is the final velocity v. It is attaining the velocity v, and velocity is increasing. It means there is an acceleration. Okay, so this slope AB is represented acceleration, because velocity time graph always represent acceleration. Okay, so here acceleration is the slope. Here I am written in the velocity time graph, object is moving with initial velocity u, and in t second attains velocity v. Then slope AB is represent acceleration A. From velocity time graph, acceleration A equals to, this is slope, that is AB equals to BE upon OA, BE upon AC, or BC upon, here not BE, BC upon AC. This slope AB, BC upon AC. Okay, and AB is acceleration, that is represented by A. How we can find out BC? BC we will take then BE minus CE. Here we can write BE minus CE upon AC, as it is AC equals to OE, you can take out or write down as AC. So this is the time, this also will be the time. Use the symbols BE, B, CE. CE equals to OA, that is U. So here we can write down U, and AC is the time taken. Now student, this time multiply with A, that will be AT equals to B minus U. Then make it properly, V equals to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion to represent graphically. Now second equation of motion, how we can present the second equation of motion? Student, same graph will be there, graph will be same, velocity time graph. Okay, and here I will write down second equation of motion, that is S equals to ut plus half at square. This we will write the second equation of motion. So here the object is moved from A to A, O, A, B and E. This whole area is covered by the object. So we will find out the distance traveled here from velocity time graph. Distance traveled by the object equals to area of O, A, B, E. That will be distance traveled by a moving object equals to area of O, A, B, E. This whole area. And if you will see in this figure, there are two figures. One is triangle, right angle triangle, and another one is rectangle. Okay, so the area we can write down, area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle OAC. Okay, area of triangle formula you know students, 1 upon 2 base into height, that is BC, base into height, and area of rectangle you know length into breadth, AC into OA. Okay, so we will use the symbol distance traveled by the object, that is represented by S. Okay, S equals to 1 upon 2 AC. How much AC? AC BC minus BE minus CE. In case of AC you can write down BE minus CE. Is that clear? And into BC. AC we have written AC. How much AC is T time? This is AC. AC is time, and BC, BE minus CE. Okay, plus AC time E into OA U. Okay, now we will use the symbols again. 1 upon 2. Yeah, BE how much? BE whole B minus U, CU into T plus UT. Okay, now S equals to the value of B we can write down from the first equation. B equals to U plus AT. So what will come? 1 upon 2 U plus AT minus U into T plus what will remain? UT. That side UT. U2 you cancel. AT into T, then it will be 1 upon 2 AT square plus UT. Writing the proper form, then it will be UT plus half AT square. This is the second equation of motion represented by graphically method. Now students, third equation I am going to explain. Third equation, how to represent the third equation of motion by using this method. Same diagram will be there. Okay, and what we will do in this one for third equation of motion. This you will get the PDF also. Okay, so the third equation of motion, that is V square equals to U square plus 2AS. Okay, now same formula we will use here. Distance traveled equals to area OABE. Student, in the previous equation we have used the area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Now if we will see this diagram, suppose we will turn this diagram, then this diagram looks like trapezium also. O, A, B and E. If you can see, this is OE, that is T, OA, that is U, and AB is the acceleration, and this B is V. B from B to E, that is B. Okay, so now what we have to do? Area of this OBE we will use, what method we will use? Area of trapezium. Okay, this OABE will be a trapezium, so here we can write down area of trapezium OABE. Area of trapezium 1 upon 2 sum of parallel side OA plus EB into height. Height is OE. Okay, we will use the value distance traveled, that is S equals to 1 upon 2 OA, that is U, plus EB V into OE T. Okay, now in the third equation you can see B square equals to A square plus 2AS. 2A angle A also, sorry, A is there. So value of T from the first equation we will use here. From first equation, this we can write down equation first. Okay, from first equation of motion, what is that? V equals to U plus AT. AT equals to V minus U. T equals to V minus U upon A. This value we will use here. So here we can write down, putting in equation A. We can give the name of this equation A because first equation, that is equation of motion. Okay, putting in equation A. S equals to 1 upon 2 U plus V into T, V minus U upon A. Okay, 2 into A, that will be 2A. Here V plus U, V minus U is squared, V square minus 2V square. We are using the identity here. Now 2A will go this side, that will be 2AS equals to V square minus U square. Write in a proper way, then it will be V square equals to U square plus 2AS. So this is the way that we can represent all the three equations of motion by using the graphical method. Okay, in the next video I will explain the next chapter, second chapter. Student, please revise these videos, watch the video and solve the equations again and again. God bless you, all the best.